Hi, I'm Sasha and I am part of the Urban Energy Institute, and today we are here at the Green Village and I'm joined by Kelvin from Team SUM.
Yes, hi Sasha.
Who are you and where stands SUM for?
I am Kelvin. I'm part of the Urban Committee of Team SUM. SUM stands for the Symbiotic Urban Movement, and we will represent the TU Delft at the Solar Decathlon 2022 in Wuppertal. The Solar Decathlon is an international building competition. It's kind of our World Cup for building sustainable homes. We're super excited to be representing the TU Delft. We are here on the Green Village, and behind me is one of our predecessors. It's more. Yeah, and in a couple of months we will also build something like this.
What is the main focus of your project?
Our main focus is on renovation. We are trying to renovate and densify post-war tenement flats in The Hague. By renovating and densifying them, we can not only give those buildings a new purpose and make them future-proof, but we could also have a real chance and potential to create a symbiotic relationship between the thing that we add and the thing that is already there. And hopefully, by doing so, we can create a neighborhood that is self-sufficient and that is giving back to the environment instead of taking from it.
So how is your project leading to a carbon-free building environment?
Because we are planning on renovating the existing buildings, we are reducing the carbon footprint of this neighborhood massively. Other proposals would have demolished the buildings and replaced them by new buildings, and it would have cost a lot of building materials. Our plan saves the buildings and adds 2 additional layers on top of it, so we can make sure that it's future-proof. So we're climatizing the existing building and then adding a high-tech part on top that will supply the whole building of energy.
And how does your project relate to urban energy, and what do you want to promote with it?
So as I said, we are adding this high-tech top-up, 2 additional building layers that are constructed with modular building units, and these units have integrated PV panels that not only create energy for the unit itself, but also creates an excess amount of energy that can be used by the existing building. And then we create a symbiotic relationship between what is there and what we are adding. And hopefully we create a net positive building by doing so, that is not reliant anymore on the urban fabric.
How does your project relate to the academic discussion?
So we relate to the academic discussion in kind of 2 categories. One is the technological category, where we're trying to find innovations, for instance, for the PV panels. And the other one is the social category, where we're trying to redefine what a sustainable lifestyle is and how we can help residents achieve a sustainable lifestyle by developing a good built environment. As I mentioned before, we're looking into innovations that are very much technology based. So we are collaborating with our partners to find better ways to integrate, for instance, PV panels into our building. So not only smack them on the roof, but also create an interesting facade with them and see how we can maximize their energy productive capacity. And we're also looking into very much social research, because we are dealing with a neighborhood that we're going to renovate. There's an existing community living there, and we want to see how we can tap into this communal power to create a sustainable lifestyle for these people, because we believe that sustainability is not only achieved through technology, but also through the way people live.
This sounds all very interesting and promising. What are the next steps?
So for us, the next steps are to finish the building design. Hopefully this will happen in the coming month, and then we can move on to our prototype stage. For this competition, we have to create a prototype. So that means that we have to take a small section of our large building and show hopefully all our innovations there, and that's where we will judge on in the competition. Also really good to mention is that our design reveal is coming up. Make sure that you watch and check our website, teamsum.com, and check our social media channels.
Thank you so much, Kelvin.
Thank you, Sasha. It was a real pleasure. Now my question for you is, are you ready to join the movement?